Welcome students to another video of practice set 1.1. In the last video we had learned of methods of writing sets, that is listing or roster method, or the second method is rule method or set builder form, right? So in this question in practice set 1.1, the first question is write the following sets in roster form. That means in listing form we have to write. So in the last video we had already seen that listing method means we have to list the element, हर एक element को हमको list करना है, right? So your first question is set of even natural numbers. So we know natural numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? But extra information given over here is even natural number, right? So even natural number तो हमको पता ही है, that is 2, that comes in 2 table, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot dot, right? So there is no limitation over here, right? So इसलिए last में हमको dot 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 लिखना जरूरी है. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. You all know what is prime number, right? Prime number जो खुद के टेबल में आता है, right? और किसी के टेबल में नहीं आता, right? So here from 1 to 50 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. It goes on, right? But extra information in the question is that it should be even, right? So it's a very important part that पूरा prime numbers are odd numbers. Got it? सभी prime number odd number होता है, right? But except एक number को छोड़ के, that is 2. That means we can write in the answer in this way: 2 is the only even prime number, right? Therefore b is equal to, in curly bracket we have to write 2, right? So I hope you all know how to write listing method, right? First you have to write curly brackets. First set name in capital letter is equal to, in curly bracket you have to write the elements separated by comma, right? So but here only one element is coming, therefore we can write b is equal to, in curly brackets 2, right? Third question, set of negative integers, right? So negative integers we have to write, that is -1, -2, -3 dot dot dot. Inside curly brackets we have to write. Fourth one, 7 basic sounds of a sargam sur. Yes or no? This we already know, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, right? But sa is repeating again, so we need not write sa again, right? So the answer is like this. The set name, that is D, is equal to curly bracket open, we'll be writing sa, comma, re, comma, ga, comma, ma, comma, pa, comma, dha, comma, ni, and close the curly bracket. Question number 2, write the following symbolic statements in words. Symbolic statement है और उसको किस में लिखना है? Words में लिखना, right? So first question is 4/3, that E sign, it is a Greek letter, right? It is belongs to, right? Q. So we have to write it in statement form, that is 4/3 belongs to set Q, or 4/3 is an element of set Q. Next one is does not belong to. Yes or no? So your answer will be -2 does not belong to set N, or -2 is not an element of set N. Question number 3, P is equal to curly bracket open small p such that p is an odd number, right? So in the last video itself I had told you all, while writing it in set builder or rule method, we have to take a variable that defines every element. Yes or no? In this they had taken p, right? So set p, पहला set का नाम है, that is बड़ा set p. Set p is a set of all p's, that means all the elements are given a single variable, that is p. So set p is a set of all p's, then that straight line that is termed as such that. Yes or no? Set p is a set of all p's such that p is an odd number. Question number 3, write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. Very simple question, just two examples we have to take and we have to write it in listing or rule method. So first example over here is A is a set of even natural numbers. This we had already seen in the starting of the video, right? So in listing method we can write A is equal to curly bracket open 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 dot dot dot, and in rule method set A is equal to curly bracket open, and we know that we have to take a variable first, right, defining all the elements, that means x, such that x is an even natural number. Students, keep it in mind that the statement should always be singular, right? It is not in plural. Why? Because we are defining every element, each and every element, right? Now, second example we have taken is B is a set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. This also we have already seen, right? So, listing method B is equal to curly bracket open 2 curly bracket close, and next rule method B is equal to curly bracket open x such that x is an even prime number from 1 to 50 curly bracket close. Question number 4, write the following sets using listing method, right? So in this question we have to write all the elements in listing method. We have to list all the elements. So first question is all months in the solar year, right? So all the months in the solar year, it is not in Gregorian year. If it is Gregorian year, then we have to write January, February, March, April, right? But here in the question they have asked all months in the solar year. So the we can write the elements as A is equal to Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashad, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwina, Kartika, Margashirsha, Paush, Magha, Falguna, and curly bracket close. Second question is letters in the word complement, right? So which are the letters in the word complement? That is C. C is one element, then O, then M, then P, then L, E, M we will not write it again. Why? Because we had already taken M, right? Then E. E also already taken. N we will be writing, and the last letter is T. Third is set of human sensory organs. This we have been studying from standard third, right? Or we had studied in standard third. It is C is equal to eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These are the sensory organs, 5 sensory organs. Fourth question, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So prime numbers we know it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So we have to stop it here. Why? Because the limit is still 20. Yes or no? It is between 1 to 20 they have asked. So we have to stop till 19. Fifth question is name of continents of the world. Yes, so we have already studied it in geography. Just we have to mention the names. So D is equal to curly bracket open Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, and North America. Question number 5. Write the following set using rule method. So we know in rule method we have to define it, right? So first question is set A is equal to curly bracket open 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 comma 25 comma 36 comma 49 comma 64 comma 81 comma 100. Yes. So if we see very minutely, we'll able to understand that each element is a square of some number, right? That means they are perfect squares, right? So we'll check the first element 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square, 16 can be written as 4 square, 25 can be written as 5 square, similarly 36 6 square, 49 7 square, 64 8 square, 81 9 square, and 100 that is 10 square, right? So if we check out that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 are changing numbers, yes or no? That means whenever it is changing numbers we can assign an element. For example, that changing numbers we can give a variable as n, small n, right? And the squares are same for every number, so we can write n square, yes or no? So you all understood that the changing number we have to take a variable n, and the number which is not changing we have to write it as it is, right? So from this question we got n square. Okay, so but keep it in mind, whenever you are taking a letter n, yes, for the changing number you have to define the starting point and the ending point, right? So the starting point over here is 1, yes or no, 1 square, and ending point is 100, that is 10 square. That means it should be less than 11. It should start from 1 and it should end up before 11. So in the answer we can write in this manner: a is equal to curly bracket open x such that x is equal to n square, and the starting point is it starts from 1, right? So we can write n belongs to natural number, comma, n less than 11. Question number 2, b is equal to curly bracket open 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, curly bracket close, right? So we know this is the table of 6, right? So first one, we'll define each element, right? So 6 can be written as 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are is 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. In this manner till 48, that is 6 eights are 48, right? So in this, one is not changing and the other one is changing number, right? 6 is common for all the numbers, but 1, 2, 3, 4 till 8 it is changing. So I have already told you all, whenever the numbers are changing we will be taking a letter n. जब भी नंबर चेंज होता है उसके जगह हम n का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. जो चेंज नहीं होता है नंबर, सब में अगर कॉमन है तो वही नंबर लेंगे, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स जो चेंज नहीं हो रहा है वो है 6, जो चेंजिंग नंबर है उसको लेटर लेंगे n, सो इट बिकम्स 6n. यस, देन इफ वी आर टेकिंग n, अगर हम n का इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो उसका स्टार्टिंग एंड द एंडिंग पॉइंट डिफाइन करना बहुत ही जरूरी है, राइट? सो द आंसर विल बी इन दिस मैनर: set b is equal to curly bracket open x such that x is equal to 6n. Yes, so starting point is it starts from 1, right? So n belongs to natural number and it is ending till 8. That means 8 matlab 9 से छोटा. That means n is less than 9. Question number 3, c is equal to curly bracket open s, m, I, l, e, right? So answer will be in this manner. This SMILE is the letters of the word smile, right? So we can write answer in this manner: c is equal to curly bracket open x such that x is a letter in the word smile. Question number 5th. Next question. D is equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. ठीक है, ये बच्चा बच्चा जानता है कि these elements are days of the week. So answer will be in this manner: D is equal to curly bracket open x such that x is a day of the week. Next question is x is equal to curly bracket open a, e, t, right? So these elements, ये कौन से word में आता है? eat में आता है, नहीं तो 8 में आता है. So as per your wish, ये जो 3 letters इस word में आता है, you have to mention that. So here we have mentioned like this: x is equal to curly bracket open x such that x is a letter in the word eat. Students, I hope that you all have understood very nicely practice set 1.1. Okay, so in the next topic we will be starting 1.2, but in the next video only we will be explaining the components of practice set 1.2, right? That means we will be giving an explanation video of practice set 1.2.